Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the top 5 best precision screwdriver sets you can get your hands on. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these kits will have you covered for all your intricate repair needs. From electronics to household repairs, we've got the best options. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Galacok Precision Screwdriver Set. The Galacok Precision Screwdriver Set is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, featuring an impressive collection of tools housed in a stylish bamboo case. With its 128-in-1 configuration, this set aims to provide everything needed for precise repairs on a variety of electronic devices. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros: A5 unique design. The Galacok set stands out with its cylindrical bamboo case, combining aesthetic appeal with practicality. This design not only looks modern but also offers a compact and organized way to store tools, making it easy to carry and access. Comprehensive features. Equipped with 122 different screwdriver bits and 6 special tools, this set can handle a wide range of devices, from smartphones to gaming consoles. Its versatility makes it suitable for numerous tasks, whether you're repairing a computer, an iPhone, or even a gaming console like the PS5 or Xbox. Superior material quality. Constructed from S2 alloy steel, the screwdriver bits offer enhanced strength and torque tolerance compared to traditional CRV steel. This material is known for its durability, wear resistance, and ability to maintain precision over time, ensuring that the tools can withstand demanding use. Ergonomic design. The screwdriver set features an ergonomically designed handle with a 360-degree rotating tip, providing optimal flexibility and comfort during use. This allows for easy one-handed operation, which is particularly useful in tight or awkward spaces. Strong magnetization. The handle includes a strong magnet that securely holds bits, preventing them from slipping out during use. This feature is essential for working in hard-to-reach areas, ensuring reliability and ease of handling. Extensive accessories. Beyond the bits, the set includes valuable accessories, such as a magnetizer-demagnetizer, an extension rod, steel tweezers, and a steel pry tool. This comprehensive range of tools enhances versatility, making it suitable for various precision tasks. Cons: size and portability. While the bamboo case is stylish, it may be bulkier than some users prefer for on-the-go repairs. For those who need a more compact option, this set might feel less portable. The Galacok Precision Screwdriver Set is an impressive toolkit that blends aesthetics with functionality, making it ideal for both professionals and dedicated dyers. Its unique design, superior materials, and comprehensive range of tools make it a valuable asset for precise repairs. However, potential buyers should consider the size, bit variety, and price to ensure it meets their specific needs. Coming in at number 4, we have the Delixi Precision Screwdriver Set. The Delixi Precision Screwdriver Set is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable and comprehensive toolkit. With its impressive collection of screwdriver bits and accessories, this set aims to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. In this article, we will explore the pros and cons of the Delixi Precision Screwdriver Set to help you determine if it's the right choice for your toolkit. Pros: comprehensive tool selection with 145 pieces. This set covers a wide range of applications, making it suitable for electronics, household repairs, and more. High-quality materials. The chrome vanadium steel construction ensures durability, providing tools that can withstand regular use without deformation or wear. Convenient magnetic feature. The magnetic suction function helps keep bits securely in place, minimizing the frustration of dropped screws during assembly or disassembly. Organized storage. The clearly labeled storage box allows for easy access to each bit, saving time and hassle when searching for the right tool. Versatile accessories. The inclusion of disassembly tools, such as tweezers and suction cups, makes this set versatile for various tasks beyond just screwdriver applications. Suitable for professionals and dyers. Whether you are a professional technician or a hobbyist, this set provides the necessary tools to handle a wide range of projects. Cons: bit durability concerns. Although made from high-quality materials, Some users may still experience wear on certain bits over time, especially with heavy use. The Delixi Precision Screwdriver Set is a robust and versatile toolkit that offers a wide range of tools suitable for various tasks. Its high-quality construction, comprehensive selection, and user-friendly organization make it a valuable addition to any workshop or toolbox. However, potential buyers should consider their specific needs, particularly regarding portability and whether a manual set meets their requirements. Overall, this set is an excellent investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable and durable screwdriver set. At number 3, the Jimihome JM-FM1 Precision Screwdriver Set. The Jimihome JM-FM1 Precision Screwdriver Set is a versatile toolkit designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a comprehensive collection of tools, this set aims to provide everything you need for precise repairs and assembly tasks. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive tool set. The Jimihome JM-FM1 includes 32 pieces, featuring a wide variety of 4mm screwdriver bits. This extensive selection allows users to tackle a range of tasks, from electronics repairs to small household projects. Additional accessories. The set comes with several useful accessories including screwdriver handle provides comfort and control during use. Magnetic mat keeps screws and small parts organized, reducing the risk of losing them during repairs. Straight tweezer useful for handling tiny components with precision. Storage tray helps in organizing tools and bits for easy access. Magnetizer demagnetizer allows users to easily magnetize or demagnetize screwdriver bits as needed. Storage box keeps everything organized and portable, making it easy to carry the set wherever you go. Flexibility with handle options. The set features both a flexible handle and a mini handle, catering to different user preferences and specific repair situations. The flexibility allows for better access in tight spaces, while the mini handle is ideal for more delicate tasks. User-friendly design. With its intuitive design and variety of tools, the Jimihome JM-FM1 is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The ergonomic handles ensure comfort during extended use, making it easier to complete projects without hand fatigue. Compact and portable. The inclusion of a storage box and tray makes the set compact and easy to transport. Users can conveniently store their tools without taking up too much space, making it ideal for those who need a portable solution. Cons. Material quality. Some users might find that the quality of the bits and handles does not match higher-end professional sets. While adequate for most tasks, the durability may not withstand heavy or frequent use in demanding environments. The Jimihome JM-FM1 Precision Screwdriver Set is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a comprehensive and portable toolset for precision tasks. Its range of accessories and ergonomic design make it user-friendly and versatile. However, potential buyers should consider the limitations in bit size and material quality, especially if they require a set for heavy-duty use. In the second spot, we have the Aneng 170 Precision Screwdriver Set. The Aneng 170 Precision Screwdriver Set is designed for anyone from DIY enthusiasts to professional technicians. With a comprehensive range of screwdriver bits and tools, this set aims to provide everything needed for precise repairs, particularly for electronics like laptops and smartphones. In this article, we'll break down the pros and cons of the Aneng 170 Precision Screwdriver Set to help you decide if it meets your needs. Pros. Packs extensive bit selection with 170 pieces. This set provides an extensive range of screwdriver bits, making it suitable for a wide array of repair tasks. High-quality materials made from chrome vanadium steel. The bits are durable and designed to resist wear, ensuring they last through numerous projects. Magnetic bits. The magnetic feature keeps screws in place, making it easier to work on small components without losing any parts. Ideal for electronics. This set is specifically tailored for electronic repairs, including laptops and smartphones, which often require precise handling and specialized bits. Ergonomic design. The comfortable handle allows for prolonged use without discomfort, which is particularly beneficial during detailed repair jobs. Compact storage case. The organized case helps keep all pieces in order, making it easy to find the right tool quickly and reducing clutter. Cons. Size of the set. While comprehensive, the size of the set may be cumbersome for those looking for a more compact solution for on-the-go repairs. The Aneng 170 Precision Screwdriver Set is a comprehensive and high-quality toolkit designed for precision and versatility in repairs, especially for electronics. Its extensive selection, magnetic bits, and ergonomic design make it an attractive option for both professionals and hobbyists. However, potential users should consider their specific needs, particularly regarding portability and the types of repairs they intend to perform. Overall, this set is a worthwhile investment for anyone looking for a reliable and durable precision screwdriver set. And finally, at number 1, we have the Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set. The Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set stands out with its innovative design and comprehensive functionality. Featuring 180 pieces, this set is engineered to meet the diverse needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Here's an overview of the pros and cons of this precision toolset. Pros. Innovative design. The Oloey Screwdriver Set incorporates a unique shell design inspired by container architecture. This thoughtful design allows for organized storage, with multiple positioning slots that keep screwdriver bits accessible and neatly arranged. This means users can easily find and select the right tool without hassle. Versatile grip. The handle features an innovative sliding module, allowing users to adjust the grip position according to their needs. This flexibility enhances user comfort and control, making it easier to apply the necessary torque from various angles. The high-tech silicone surface ensures a secure grip, promoting precision with every turn. Durable materials. Crafted from high-hardness CRV and S2 steel, the 162 magnetic screwdriver heads are built to last. They are resistant to wear and rust, ensuring longevity even with regular use. The inclusion of a thread pickup head enhances efficiency by easily matching different screw textures, allowing for smoother operations. Detachable extension rod. The set comes with a detachable extension rod designed to accommodate screwdriver heads of different sizes. This feature is particularly useful for accessing deep or narrow spaces, making it easier to tackle a variety of projects without straining or fumbling. Multifunctional use. The versatility of the Oloey set is impressive. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, including repairing electronics like mobile phones and laptops, as well as assembling furniture and maintaining household items. Its adaptability makes it a practical tool for various tasks, from precision repairs to everyday maintenance. Gift-worthy presentation. The stylish design and comprehensive nature of the set make it an excellent gift choice. It conveys thoughtfulness and taste, making it suitable for friends, family, or colleagues who appreciate practical tools. Cons. Size and portability. While the set is comprehensive, its size may not be ideal for those seeking a compact tool. Users who frequently travel or work in tight spaces might find it less convenient to carry compared to smaller, more portable alternatives. The Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set is an impressive tool for anyone looking to enhance their repair capabilities. Its innovative design, durable materials, and versatility make it a standout choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. However, potential buyers should consider the complexity of the set and its size relative to their needs. Overall, the Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set offers significant value, particularly for those who appreciate high-quality, versatile tools in their toolkit.